How to buy OHW token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not a professional economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now make sure to take a look on their X account. Now to buy this token is in pre-sale. Now to be able to buy it, just connect your wallet as you can see. Now for example, MetaMask. Now after that, you can see from here, select the token that you want to buy with or card. For example, if you select USDC or USDT, as you can see, or Ethereum. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. And as you can see, make sure you have the Ethereum, as you can see, the 0.005 and for gas fees, and Ethereum for the token exchange. Now, because I don't have any Ethereum on my wallet, for your case, you will see here buy now. Just click on buy now, and they will redirect you to your wallet to complete the buy process. So if you want to buy with card, just click on it, and now type here how much you want to buy. Now click on buy now. So as you can see, click on continue and wait for a few seconds. Now after that, as you can see, just type here your phone number. Now after that, reveal this information over the purchase. As you can see, rate updates, and the processing fee is 5%, and network fee, as you can see. So after you enter your phone number, after you send the code, you will receive a code and you will complete buy your token. So this is how to buy the OHW token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.